Okay, this presentation's on a apparatus that's used to show Ohm's Law. It's 5F10.10 in our on our catalog, and basically the setup is a DC power supply that goes up to, doesn't say, probably about 6 volts max, and a pair of gauges. One's a voltmeter, one's an ammeter, that are projected from an overhead projector. The circuit board, which you can't see here, the circuit board has 1, 2, 3 10 ohm resistors, and I'm going to start out just using one of the 10 ohm resistors and vary the voltage on the power supply. We'll start with 1 volt increments, which are hard to read on this scale. We're using the 15 volt scale, which is up here, so 5 volts is right there, 1 volt is right there, and I'm going to crank her up to about 1 volt, and with a 10 ohm resistor, we're showing 100 milliamps, 0.1 amps. At 2 volts, we're showing approximately 200 milliamps, 0.2 amps. And I'm going to finish at 3 volts. We'll call that 3 right there. Our gauges, these gauges are a bit off, or I'm reading this wrong, so let's do that. We'll call that 3. At 3 volts, our gauge is reading 300 milliamps, which is 0.3 amps. That's one way to do this demonstration. So 3 volts divided by 10 ohms, and you get 0.3. The other way is to add a second resistor, and these are in series, so the amperage will drop. And with 2 in the circuit, I'm fudging here, you're getting close to 150 milliamps, or 0.15, and with 3 10 ohm resistors in the circuit, you're close to 100 milliamps, or 0.1 amps with the 3 volt power supply. So that's basically how you use this Ohm's Law demonstration. Thanks for watching.